And welcome to this video in which we are going to see that what steps you need to follow if some of the icons are not visible to you, if you are getting just the blank icons in your desktop or in any of the folders. If you have set an icon, suppose you have created a folder or you have created a file, but that particular file icon is not visible, you are just getting a blank or a simple icon, not the icon that ideally should have been there for that particular type of the file or type of the folder. So the first step that you need to do is press Windows R from your keyboard. This will bring up the run menu. Just type in app data, all in smalls, APP app without any space, DATA data, app data, and click on OK. So once you do that, this kind of a window will open. In case you are not able to see local or local low, then go to view and make sure that hidden items is checked from here. So if it is checked, then you would be able to view. Then just go to the first folder, that's the local folder, and search for icon cache. So in my case, that particular folder is not there. So if you find that particular folder in your local, then just delete that folder. Shift delete to permanently delete it. Similarly, in local low also, just search for that particular folder and delete it. Once you have deleted it, then the issue should have been fixed. So you can just close this particular window and come back to your original place. Just refresh it and the icon should have been restored. In case they are not yet restored, then what you need to do is just right click, go to the task manager. I'm just expanding it. Then in the task manager, what you can do is just search for Windows Explorer. So I'm just gonna type W from my keyboard so that it could take me to Windows Explorer. So here is my Windows Explorer. What you need to do is just let me again search for it. So here is my Windows Explorer. Just right click and restart. So once your Windows Explorer is restarted, let's just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it is still loading. So once it has loaded, then notice that all the icons have been restored. Now in case your icons have still not restored, then what you can do is perform the third and the final step. Just this step would actually work if the icons that you are missing the icons in any of the drives. So if I just go to my this PC, I have 3 drives in me. If I just open any of these, and if here in any of the folders or in any of the files I'm missing any of the icons, then this step would be useful. If you are missing the icons on the desktop, then this step won't be useful for you at all, and it should have been solved with the 2 steps that we have already discussed. Okay, so for now what we need to do is just press Ctrl R and in this window type clean mgr. Just select the particular drive in which you are facing the icons issue, click on OK, and then from here make sure that you uncheck all of these things except thumbnails. So you need to delete all the thumbnails. Basically what it is doing, it is just deleting all the thumbnails cache, and then again when you open that particular drive, then a new cache of the thumbnails would be created, or a new thumbnails would be loaded. So if there is any issue in loading the thumbnails in the from the cache memory, then this issue would have been solved. So just make sure that the thumbnails is checked, click on OK. It would ask you if you want to permanently delete these files. So your thumbnails won't be deleted, just the thumbnail cache would be deleted. So just click on delete files, then refresh your computer and again go to the problematic area. The issue would have been solved. So that is it for this video, in which we saw how can you restore the icons, refresh the icons if the icons are not visible. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.